Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to the new episode of Social Science of ninth standard. Today, we are focusing on the economics segment. Today, the first chapter of social science or economics, it is the natural resources. Okay, so my dear students, listen here. You might have heard about this word. These are familiar words for you: nature and resource. Okay, nature means the whatever things we are seeing around us, it is part of nature, or it is itself is nature. Okay, and resources means whatever things we are getting from the nature, that is called resources. Okay, so different types of resources we can see in our environment or in our nature, like air, water, petroleum, plants and trees. Okay, and even human beings itself is a resource. We call it as human resource. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss in detail about natural resources. Okay, and what does it mean? What is the meaning of natural resources? Resources which are available or getting from the nature is known as what? Natural resources. Okay, there are many hundreds of examples are there. Even this chalk is a good example for a resource. Okay, so resources means whatever things are useful for us, they are known as what? Resources. Okay, whatever things human beings are needed or useful for us, it comes under resources. Okay, our dresses, our resources, because it is part of our life. We can't live without dresses. We can live, but it is a part of what? Our human civilization. Okay, so here we are talking about the natural resources. Okay, so how we should deal with the resources, what we should not do and what we should do. Okay, we should handle care with about we should handle natural resources very carefully, otherwise it can destroy our environment, and indirectly it will affect us also. Okay, and not only for us, coming generation also needed a healthy environment. Okay, they want plants and trees, forest. Because of the overpopulation, we are day by day we are destroying what? The natural beauty. Okay, we are destroying mountains for making quarries. Okay, and for construction of houses we are cutting trees. Okay, in a huge amount. So directly and indirectly it is affecting the life of human beings and other living beings, including animals. Okay, we can see not only animals are living in this world, we can see birds, animals, then many insects, all are living, all are depending this nature, and this nature is unique for all the living beings, and earth is only giving the suitable or comfortable situation, uh, environment for the life, the existence of life on the earth. Okay, so my dear students, here we already know that the meaning of resources means what? Whatever things we are needed is known as what? Resources. Okay, and types of natural resources, mainly there are two types of natural resources are there. One is renewable resource and second one is non-renewable resources. Okay, so my dear students, renewable resources will be forming continuously after our usage. For example, air, we are using air, but again and again air is formed in this world. Okay, then water, we are using water, but it is replenished by or recycled by water cycle. So every year we can see the monsoon season, we are getting the water. Okay, because due to the water cycle, and water cycle has three process, we know that: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So here, and like that, sunlight is a continuous source of energy. Okay, it is never ending, it is everlasting source of energy. Okay, so these are some examples for what? Renewable sources of energy. Okay, renewable natural resources. But whereas some resources uh, are not so. For example, petroleum. You know, petroleum. This petroleum natural resource is formed by the fossil fuels. Okay, once we used the the quantity of such resources will reduce in the underground of the earth, and it will take long time to remake again. So such resources are known as what? Non-renewable resources. For example, petroleum. Okay, petroleum is a good example for fossil fuels. Okay, so my dear students, we can divide the natural resources into two, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay, and in order to in order to stabilize the nature or to conserve the nature, we want to follow three measures. Okay, because crores of people around now at this moment, you know, around 850 crores of people are living in this world, and within India itself we know that there are around 128 crores of people are living in India. So it is very important to use natural resources very wisely and effectively. Okay, so what are the methods how we can conserve our natural resources? Let us go to that area. Okay, so just to remember 3R. Okay, so these 3R we know already in managing the plastics. Okay, reuse. 3R means reuse, reduce, and recycle or reproduce. Okay, whatever resources we are using, we can use it again and again. Such things are known as what? Reusable natural resources. Okay, then second one is reduce. Reduce the maximum usage of a product. Sorry, reduce the unwanted usage of a resource. Okay, reduce the unwanted usage of a resource. Use the things wisely and don't make anything waste. Okay, that is very important. In our world, we can see many social inequalities. Some are very rich people and some are very poor people. Rich people are living in a very comfortable condition and poor are leading a pathetic life. Okay, because actually this world is this worldly resources should be distributed equally among all the people, even though it is rich or poor, because we all belongs to the nature and we are the part of nature. Okay, or we can say we are the children of the nature. Okay, so every people, every human beings, every living beings has the right to get the sufficient amount of the sufficient level of resources for their maintenance of the life. Okay, so that is reuse, reduce, and recycle or reproduce. Okay, so today this is the foundation of this chapter, and just to go through the chapter, remaining things we will be remaining things we will be focusing on coming chapters. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.